I'm going to show you how you can take a image, not only make it very nice and presentable, put it on a pillow, but today we are making a pillow. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and scroll up because I need me a little blank sheet. This size of the canvas is 8 by 8. So what I'm going to do is go to my elements, and I have to get my background situated first. So I'm going to click on this one, which is a black fade. It's called black gradient background, and I'm going to rotate it to 90 degrees. Alrighty, and I'm going to just scoot it up. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and take this purple one, click flip, and bring it up. After I go ahead and bring it up, I'm going to size it so I don't see any white line. Okay, not a big white line because I do not like white lines. Okay, so I'm going to make it look more gradient. Now I'm going to go ahead and type in black glitter frame. I'm going to take that to be like right down here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and do the purple one, which is a purple glitter frame. And I'm going to flip it. Turn the transparency down on both. 59 is good. Okay, 59.61. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so one thing I am going to do is bring in my girl to figure out what I want to do and where I want to put her. So I am going to go to upload. I need my logo, of course. But once I have this, now that I think about it, I'm actually going to download it. I'm going to download it, so share download. And I'm going to download number 1. There we go. And then what I am going to do is once that download, I'm going to go to I'm going to go back to my uploads, and I'm going to grab it and I'm going to upload it. So just like that. Now I'm going to create a new page. This bleach frame will already be within, so you don't have to do that. I'm going to go to projects, my bleach frame, which is right here. Go back to my upload, so y'all will already have this. And boom, I'm going to drop it in. Okay. So this is really nice. It's giving a nice illusion. Boom. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and take my girl. I'm going to do this one first. With the background, edit, shadow, glow, and I want to do a white glow. There we go. Bring her up about right here. Oops. There we go. Got to go from the outside. And use my cursor to scoot over, or I can lock this in for a minute. There we go. Okay. And I'm going to grab this one, and I'm going to flip it. Remove the background, edit. We already BG removed her. Shadow, glow, white. Okay, that's perfect. If I gotta minimize it, I will. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and go back to uploads and grab this one, remove, edit. I'm gonna go down to shadow, glow, and once again white. And bring it up. Oh, that's weird. Okay. White. Alrighty. And I'm gonna bring am going to bring them down a little bit because I'm going to put a word up top. Okay, try to line them up as good as I can. Okay, so I'm going to grab the font that says Sparkle. Sparkle, which is the moon time. And I'm going to say senior. I'm going to go to white. When then go to effects, I am going to go to outline and do black. I'm going to stay in outlines. Stay in effects. Do like a curve. So it'll be like senior. Perfect. I like that. That's pretty. Okay, so let's do her name. So I'm going to duplicate this. Oh, wait. You know what? Let's just go back and grab this. And we're going to do her name, which is, we're going to say Lauren Liberty. Okay. I want to do, let's do effects. Let's do an outline. I think I'm going to do what I normally, okay, so white. Yeah, that was white. Okay. White, purple, and then black on the outline. And then duplicate, align up, position. Click the back one and then do effects in black. Okay, that's cool. Oh, where's my girl? Okay, let's add her back. I don't know where she went. Oh, wrong one. Remove background. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna go do edit. We said shadow, glow, white. Like I said, I don't know what happened, but that's okay. Okay. Alrighty, so we're gonna do let's add the school logo. We're gonna just put that right here for a minute. And let's rotate this. Okay, I'm gonna need it for later on. 2025. And I'm gonna do that in Cabbage. What is it? Cabbage brush. Yeah. Uh-oh, wrong thing. Okay, so bring it about right here. Okay, so minimize that. There we go. What I am going to do is go to effects. Let's duplicate it about 3 times. Uh-oh, no, don't like it. Okay. Effects, we're going to do a hollow. We're going to do this one hollow black. And then the other one is going to be the color purple. So black, white, color purple. Okay. So this one will be, this one will be right here. And then this one, we'll be pushing it towards the back. There we go. Alrighty, so let's do the class of more of a purple. So we're gonna do purple, and then um yeah, I like that. So I mean that's pretty much how we did it. And then you can always just turn this up. So bring this up. And then how you take it is you're gonna put a box over it. You can group it. Oh wait, we have to give me a second. Position, go down to unlock this. There we go. So we're gonna put a box over it. We're gonna group everything. We're going to click the three dots, copy, and then you're gonna go down. Oh wait, we can make another one. That's fine. Okay. And then we're going to go to click the pillow. And the pillow is called Plain Pillow Decorative Pillow Markup, okay? So we're going to click the three dots again and paste. And there we go. Just put it on the pillow, and then you can go ahead and post this and collect them coins. Alrighty, I'll see you guys, and I'll go ahead and drop the bleach in there, bleach frame, and plus I'll just put the pillow in there for you guys, and y'all have a blessed day. Bye.